in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can apply for your Nigerian passport. A lot of people have been struggling to learn how to apply for their Nigerian passport, and that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do here. If you learn how to do this, you do not have to go through agents to apply for your passport. So quickly, before I do that, kindly make sure that you follow me on this channel. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you won't miss anything that I share on this platform, on this channel. All right, let's get straight to applying for your passport. Now, for you to do that, you're going to come to your Google search here and you're going to type immigration portal, immigration portal. All right, you type immigration portal. Let's type it correctly. Type immigration portal and then you enter it. All right, oh, my internet is not on. Let me put it on. So you're going to come here and type immigration portal. As you can see here, this one that says Nigerian Immigration Services, that's the one you are going to click. So you come here and click on it. Now, before you come here and apply, it is important that you have some important documents. All right, let me say that again. Before you come here to apply, it is important that you have some important documents. Now, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you more details about all these documents, but make sure that you watch this video and don't skip any part. So quickly, now let me just mention the documents. Number one, you need your birth certificate, you need your local government certificate, you need your NIN. All right, these are major documents that you need. Okay, you're going to also need your data. Some of your information are going to be needed. If you're single, there are documents that you need. If you are married, there are documents that you need. So what you do here, you can see we're on the platform here. If you are applying from outside Nigeria, look at the information. It says this is the passport application portal for applicants applying from within Nigeria. If you are applying from outside Nigeria, click on continue button. So if you are in Nigeria, you don't need to click on continue. Are you getting now? But if you are outside Nigeria, you can now click okay. If you are within Nigeria, you are clicking continue button. So let's click on continue. Click on continue. All right, now if you look at this as a beginner, there are things you need to know on this platform, otherwise you will be wasting your time here and you'll be missing out. All right, now look at this list here. The first one says apply for fresh passport. If you are just starting out, this is the one you will click. Are you getting now? If you're just coming to do it for the first time, you click on apply for fresh passport. If you are coming like you want to renew, you come to apply for renewal. But I believe you are watching this now because you want to apply for the fresh passport. So let's leave all this other information. Let's just go straight to apply for fresh passport. Now stick around to the end of this video because there are very vital information I'll be sharing with you at the end of this video. So we come to apply for fresh passport. You click on it, and once you click on it, all right, you can see now it says national identification number, which is your NIN. You insert it here. All right, you insert it here, and then your date of birth, you insert it here. Your year or your month where you were born, you insert it. Your year, you put it there, and then once you copy this number and put in there, you start your application process. Now I told you that there are documents you are going to need. Okay, there are documents you are going to need. So quickly, let me just check for my NIN and fill this up so you can see what it looks like. As you can see now, I've added my NIN, and then I'll put my date of birth, which is 12th, and the month, I'm going to put the months, and then I'll put the year, which is okay. So I'm going to copy this number now, 1 and 5 2. All right, so I verify. So let's quickly follow it. Okay, so I see now. So can you see it's giving my name? Are you seeing now? And then I'll click on confirm and continue. When I click confirm and continue, and you can see all the steps, it's showing me all the steps that I need to follow. If you look at this now, if you look at this, it's telling me passport type. What type of passport am I looking for? If you look at here, it's telling me passport photograph. That's another thing I'll need. Personal details, contact information, next of kin, upload supporting document. That's where you're going to need your document. Passport delivery options. That's how you want to receive the passports. Are you following? Now, if you look at this now, instruction for applicants, you need to choose the option. What is your citizenship? If you click on it, it's telling you citizenship by birth or by naturalization, by adoption or whatever. But in your case, you're going to choose citizen by birth. That is if you are born in Nigeria. Now, if you come here, processing state, where do you want to process it from? Are you in Lagos State? Are you in Abuja? Or where are you? You choose it. Processing office, you choose it. All right. Booklet type, and then validity. How many years? You understand? So for now, we are not going to go into all that. But once you want to apply for your passport, you need to follow all these things correctly. All right. You need to follow it correctly. Now, I may not go into all of that because I'm not applying myself. Do you understand? I'm not applying, so I can't be entering all these things for now. But if you really want to actually see how you can do this, I've created a step-by-step guide. All right, it's a step-by-step short guide that you can get. All right, I'll drop the link in the description where I really explain everything you need to do. All right, you follow it step by step to apply for your own. And also, one of the things I also added to the guide is the mistakes, the challenges, the mistakes you should avoid, which is what most beginners don't do. All right, there are things you need to avoid. If you do it, if you don't follow that and you make that mistake, you might struggle to really get your passport. Are you getting now? I pointed out some mistakes that you need to avoid so that you can get your passport processed. All right, I also talk about the things that you can do to get your passport in less than 30 days. Okay, in less than 30 days. So go to the link in the description. I'll put a link to that guide. So just go to the link in the description and check for it. If you got value from this, I believe that you got some value from this. If you got value from this, just like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell. If you have questions for me, you can also drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.